In the previous lesson, we started a brand new project based on a PDF file we imported. We also imported a separate PDF file into our project as its own topic called Course Details. That's where we left off. Still working with our How to Use LDC project. We're now going to import a Word document. And just like a PDF, we can start a new project by importing a Word document, or if we already have the project open like this, we can simply import it by going to File, down to Import, and then you'll select Word document. Now if you've got the exercise files, we're going to the 0205 subfolder of Chapter 2, where we do find one called Latest Releases. Notice it's a .docx file, one of the new formats for Microsoft Word. Of course, you can bring in older formats that end with doc, for example. You can bring in templates as well. Once you've found the file and click Open, you'll now be presented with a dialog box where it's prompting you for the content settings. Notice if your document already has a table of contents, you can choose to convert that table of contents by adding it to the existing TOC here in your project or create a new one. Now I know for a fact our document does not, so we're going to deselect it. The same thing goes for an index and glossary if your Word document has either of those. Leave them unchecked if it doesn't, and then click Next. Now we get to the screen here where you might want to make a selection based on what you see here. For example, Word document, edit conversion settings for Word document. When you click Edit, you have access to a number of different conversion settings for paragraphs, characters, tables if you have them in the document. Now I just happen to know that all we have here is plain text. Plain text, you can see the style preview in Word and what it's going to look like in WebHelp. If you wanted to edit that style, you can do it from here. But we're going to get into styles later on, so we'll just click Cancel. It takes us back to our import dialog where we're ready to finish. And when you click the Finish button, it just takes a moment before you see the results screen indicating it was successfully imported. And when you click Close, go to your topic list. If it's not already open, click the tab and just scroll down till you see your new topic. There it is, Latest Releases. We can double click it to open it up, see what that looks like. And then we might want to right click it, go to the Properties, and just fix up the topic title so it matches the rest. For example, I'm going to use a capital for latest, leave a space, and put in a capital R for latest releases, and click OK. Now it kind of looks like my other title, same formatting. And now I have my content here in my project, ready to start working on that content, either manipulating the content itself or formatting it. But that's all there is to bringing a Word document into an existing project.